Good afternoon, dear students. So today we discuss collision theory. I share screen. So this is collision theory, effect of temperature on reaction rate. If increase in temperature, then increase in rate of reaction. If decrease in temperature, then decrease in rate of reaction. It explains increase in temperature, then the kinetic energy increases and the molecules are moving faster. Then number of collisions are increases. Finally, rate of reaction is also increases. That is, products formation is increases. It is nothing but temperature increases, rate of reaction increases. Temperature decreases, rate of reaction decreases. So temperature directly proportional to rate of reaction. Now every molecule possesses some energy is called as normal energy, and those molecules are called as normal molecules. Here reactant to product, starting reactant molecules possess some amount of energy is called normal energy and normal molecules. Every collision cannot produce products. Only some collisions produce products. These collisions are called as successful collision. So next one. The reactant molecules produce products if it contains some minimum amount of energy. This energy is known as threshold energy. The minimum amount of energy required by reactants to get products is called as threshold energy. The normal molecules possess less than threshold energy. These molecules cannot give the products, and normal molecules possess greater than or equal to threshold energy. These molecules can give products. So if energy of normal molecule greater than or equal to threshold energy. Now we go for activation energy. The additional amount of energy to the normal molecules to get threshold energy. This additional energy is called as activation energy. In other words, the additional energy required by normal molecules to get threshold energy is called as activation energy. Here threshold energy equal to normal energy plus additional energy. This additional energy called as activation energy. So activation energy equal to threshold energy minus normal energy. Activation energy denoted by EA and threshold energy E threshold minus normal energy E normal. See here, uh, energy activation energy on y-axis, reaction coordinates on x-axis, reactants converted into products, this curve. Here starting reactant values, some amount of energy value called normal energy. This normal energy to get additional amount of energy, this additional amount of energy, activation energy. So reactants then converted to products through the threshold energy. So now Arrhenius equation, it explains the relationship between rate of reaction and rate constant. According to him, K equal to A into e to the power of EA by RT. K equal to rate constant, A equal to frequency factor, E equal to activation energy, R equal to gas constant, T equal to absolute temperature. These Arrhenius equations explains the relationship between rate constant and temperature also. So this is effect of temperature on reaction rates and concept of activation energy and explain Arrhenius equations. Thank you.